They're actually putting the artwork together as we sit here and film them. That's rubber tubing. They're tying together. You want to see what it looks like? Are you ready for this? You ready? You won't believe what you see. Get ready. This is beautiful. You're going to love it. They need a cherry picker too to pick it up. You ready for this? Hold on to your hat. Here it comes now. It's coming now. Just look up. Keep looking up. Keep looking up. Keep looking up. There it is. Isn't that a masterpiece? Ah, I think it is. It's all rubber tubing. And the gentleman who's put together is most likely his artwork. Is that your artwork?
I helped build it, but it's not mine.
Oh, all right.
You like it?
You did a nice job. Yeah,
Thank you.
Very nice. Well, it's great. He's up down there. Putting a quotation here. This is right on 5th Avenue. And there it is. It's amazing, isn't it? What's it look like to you? Don't say your thoughts out loud. What do you think of what do you think of the new artwork that was just installed here? Do you have any opinions?
Big.
It's a big and black and rubbery.
It's inner tube tires from industrial sized truck tires.
There's like 50 rubber tires up there. When it rains, do you know the stench that's going to be when those rubber tires get wet? Have you ever smelled rubber outside when it gets wet? You can't believe the stench on 60th Street and 5th Avenue. Come on down. It smells great down here.